I love these glasses. These are the VUZIX M400s, the industrial workhorse that are going crazy with the telemedicine, remote maintenance, remote work. I know I fell in love with next generation smart glasses when I went up and saw them at VUZIX a couple months ago. And I still love them. I can't wait for them to come out later this year. But I went up again to have a little tour of the assembly line, the production line in Rochester, New York. And I saw the workers putting together blades and the M400s. And I saw the care and the quality and the testing that it took to make a pair of these. All the recent stories about doctors training other doctors remotely and sending these off to do work because someone can't be there because of COVID. I had to try them myself. So the first thing I could think of, I was given an old Super Chexx bubble hockey machine. I wasn't given the key to get the quarters out, and it was set to take quarters. So I've been pumping quarters in, losing my shirt on these things every time the kids want to play, and I can't get the coins out. So the drone pilot buddy of mine actually grew up with Super Chexx. He knows how to program and he knows how to do everything. So I want to use these to have him help me reprogram it so I can get it working and I don't have to keep pumping quarters into it. It's a simple test. I mean, if it can do all those other things they say it can do, should do this easily. But this is made for hands-free work. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the software before I call them up and get this thing fixed. I'm right at the main screen, and it's on the browser, and I say, hello VUZIX, speech commands. Scroll down. Scroll up. Go home. Camera. Take picture. Start recording. It's taking a little video. Stop. Go home. Hands-free, flashlight on. I can't see. Oh, that's cool. Flashlight off. Go home. Zoom. Join meeting. Enter meeting number. Enter meeting number, and I'm going to connect with my buddy. This ought to be great. Here it is. This thing's killing me. I got to pay 50 cents every time I want to use it.
Oh, yeah. That's a good shape, man.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, so see on the scoreboard there, that flashing 0?
Yeah.
That should be flashing FP for free play, and it's flashing 0 for their 0 credits now. So you got to get in there. There's some setup buttons in there.
Already moved it over. What do I? In here?
It's down. Yeah, it's down in there. On the bottom, there's like a big green chip. Yeah. That.
Hold on, I can't see. It's dark. I'm gonna switch to flashlight. Nice.
Oh, nice. Cool. So.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can. So right down the middle, at the very bottom there, there's like a bunch of buttons, a bunch of little black buttons.
Well, I'm gonna zoom in here for you.
Oh wow. Yeah. Those are it, right there.
Those 4.
Right in the bottom of your screen. Yep.
Okay.
Cool. So look up at your scoreboard. That first button will get you into programming mode. So push that.
Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that says program 1 and 2 credits. So it means it's going to take 2 quarters, which is what it takes to run that machine right now. You want to make that 2 a 0. So the third button over would be the button to switch that. So you'll run up all the way up to 10, and then the next is a 0.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to push it and look at.
Yep.
Okay, 3, 4, 10,
0.
and then 0. Okay.
Yep. And then,
leave it at 0.
Yep.
And then hit programming again.
Yeah, hit the program button again, and then it should flash FP.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, nice. So no more quarters.
Okay. Now I want to switch the national anthem from the Canadian one to the American anthem.
All right, so that was going to be on program 6.
Okay. Go back into programming.
Yeah, back into programming. And it's going to be number 6. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
You want to change that to a 0 from a 1.
Okay, hold on.
Same third button over.
Okay. 0.
Yep, that's it. So that should play the other.
All right, and now
Program button again.
free play with, I'm going to check it out. Hold on, I'm going to get rid of my zooms. Start it up. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's awesome. Man, that's in great shape.
All right. Awesome. That was cool. Was that, could you see everything good? Okay.
Yes, crystal clear, man.
No problem?
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right. That's awesome. Well, that's all I needed to see. This stuff is quite amazing.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. I appreciate it.
Sure thing, buddy.
Thank you.
Next time we'll have a beer.
Definitely. All right. See you. Bye. If you're a CEO and you're not actively looking at solutions like this for remote maintenance and other ways that it could save your company money, I don't know what to tell you. Now, for sticking around, the $1 billion idea that is way beyond my capabilities of actually doing, but is what is going to happen in the future, is there will be basically an Uber of experience. Retirees, nuclear power plant retirees with all these knowledge, after they go home, they'll have an account. People will be somewhere, they'll need help. They'll ring up a bank of people with this specific experience that they're no longer using, get a certain amount of money for answering the call, certain amount of money for solving a problem that the tech or somebody didn't know. It is a $1 billion industry, no doubt, within 4 or 5 years. These things are going to change business, and things like this, the personal side, are going to change the way we communicate and we get input in. And I think it really is going to start with a comfortable, aesthetically pleasing looking glasses like the next generation smart glasses. So if you like seeing things like this, cutting edge technology, stuff like this, give it a like. Subscribe, and I'll continue to try to make more of these. It's super exciting. I love learning about this stuff, and I love sharing what I learn with other people. Thanks.